What is the target market of honey, and who are the potential customers for honey? So if you're looking to create a honey business or you want to expand the business you've already started, you need to know your end user. So if you don't know your customer base, we're going to cover everything you need to know. You definitely want to watch from beginning to end. Hit that subscribe button. Marketing Food Online 2, we're going to dive right into what is the target market for honey right now. All right, guys, so welcome back to Marketing Food Online 2. It's Damien Roberti, founder and CEO of Marketing Food Online and several other food entrepreneur channels here on YouTube. You definitely want to check out the description section. We've got links to those other channels, all dedicated to food entrepreneurship. But this video, we're going to give you specific information on what exactly is the target market for honey. Understanding the target market for honey is a multifaceted endeavor. It involves an intricate exploration of both the product and the consumer. In an increasingly health-conscious world, honey, a natural sweetener with various health benefits, has found its way into numerous homes and even industries. So identifying the key demographics and psychographics is crucial in directing your marketing efforts effectively and sustainably. Let's figure out what is the diversity of honey consumers. Now, to understand the consumer profile for honey, it requires an examination of diversity within the target market itself. Various age groups, professions, and even lifestyle choices play significant roles in shaping this product's marketplace. Now, the age groups. Let's dive into age groups first. It's generally acknowledged that honey appeals to a pretty broad range of age groups. The elderly, adults, and even children each hold a unique position in the honey market due to their distinct dietary needs and preferences. The elderly, for instance, senior citizens, often turn to honey as a healthier substitute of refined sugars, particularly those managing chronic conditions such as even diabetes. Adults who are health conscious are drawn to honey for its natural sweetening properties and the potential health benefits like improved digestion and enhanced immunity. Now, for children, honey is a sweet treat often used in breakfast cereals or snacks, but parents are also aware of the nutrient values, considering it's essential for them to be aware of their children's diets. Now, next up is lifestyle and professions. This is a really unique part of the demographics understanding for honey. Various lifestyle choices and professions are actually associated with honey consumption, believe it or not. Health and fitness enthusiasts, these individuals lean towards organic, natural food products with honey often incorporated into post-workout meals or at a natural energy booster. Now, culinary professionals such as chefs and bakers use honey as a versatile ingredient in an array of dishes and pastries and baked goods, creating a steady demand in the culinary industry. Next up is vegetarians and vegans. Now, while some vegans opt out of honey, many vegetarians and some vegans even choose to include it in their diet due to the nutritional value. Now, let's dive into some industries specifically that use honey. Now, industries represent another vital aspect of the target market for honey, influencing the market reach and application of this particular product. The food and beverage industry, the cosmetic industry, and even pharmaceutical industry all recognize honey's potential, integrating them into their offerings of food products, or those that are not food related. Now, next up is food and beverage. Now, in the food and beverage industry, honey is widely used for sweetening properties and rich, distinctive flavors. It serves as a key ingredient in numerous recipes, from baked goods to savory dishes. Moreover, it has become increasingly popular in beverages like teas, smoothies, or even craft beers and meads. Now, the cosmetic industry, believe it or not, yes, the cosmetic industry leverages honey's natural moisturizing and antibacterial properties, incorporating it into products like face masks, moisturizers, and even lip balms. This trend appeals to consumers interested in the natural, chemical-free skincare option. Next up is the pharmaceutical industry. Yes, pharmaceutical industry actually also utilizes honey's medicinal qualities, incorporating it into cough syrups, lozenges, and any other products. It also is being explored as a potential treatment for wounds due to its antimicrobial properties. Now, geographic distribution of honey consumption is also something to think about when you start to market your honey products. Honey consumption varies significantly across different geographic regions, with cultural and economic factors playing key roles. High honey consumption is observed in North America and in Europe, with growing markets in Asia and in the Middle East. The popularity of specific types of honey, like Manuka honey, also shifts the market into regions such as New Zealand. Now, if you want to think about the future of the honey market, you might want to pay attention to this as well. So as consumers continue to seek healthier, more natural food choices and beauty products, the market for honey will likely expand over the next 2 or 3 decades. Innovation within honey-based products and sustainable practices in honey production may also present new opportunities and challenges. So in conclusion, the target market for honey is a vast and diverse landscape shaped by an array of consumer profiles and even consumer industries. Identifying these distinct sectors can help businesses strategize effectively to meet the evolving demands and preferences for the honey market. So if this was interesting, definitely let us know. Give us a thumbs up, and you can definitely subscribe. We have a ton of brand new videos coming on the second channel here, Marketing Food Online 2. Remember to check out our other food entrepreneur channels as well. And if you've got questions about operating a honey business or marketing honey, let us know down in the comments. We'll see you guys on our next video.